going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 929 by Halsey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's only using 2 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The first chord you need to know is A minor. It's middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then your next chord is going to be this version of a G. It's going to be 3-2-0-0-1-0. You're taking just the regular G formation and just adding your index finger on the B string on the 1st fret. So ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A string, then your index finger is on the 1st fret of the B string, and that's all you need for that chord. Now in the very beginning of the song, it's just starting with palm muting that 1st fret on the B string, and then it does a little pickup 1, 2, 3, 4, 3rd fret on the B string, and then it goes into that A minor where you start palm muting, and you're going to palm mute in counts of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 counts of 4 on the A minor and on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm doing there is I'm putting the fleshy part of my palm right near the bridge of the guitar to give it that punchy muted sound, but not too much forward to where it mutes it all the way, and not too far backwards, because you'll just get that little twangy sound. You want it right in the spot where you can still strum the chords and get that little muted, that punchy sound. So again, the intro is palm muting that 1st fret, and then it gives a little pickup to 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will show you the extra little notes that they're playing throughout the chords as well. Starting with your A minor, you're just going to palm mute the first 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the first 2 counts of the next count of 4, you're going to put your pinky on the B string on the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then take it off for 3, 4, and just make sure you're hitting that high E in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to your G, and you're going to do the same thing. Palm mute the first 4 counts normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2 is regular, and then 3, 4 is pinky on the 3rd fret on the B string again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm doing there is, like, I'm on the first 4 counts, I'm kind of hitting mainly the lower strings, the thicker strings, and then on the 2nd counts of 4, I'm hitting more of the middle strings to make sure I'm getting the B string in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.